Welcome back to the wild west of Ireland, and yeah, it's certainly wild out there at the moment. We're just on the tail end of Storm Darragh, and there's been a little bit of damage, nothing serious, but spending the night in a caravan during a storm is no fun, so I'm absolutely knackered. Let's go outside and have a look. Well, as you can see, we've lost the garage roof, and this little building here was the feed store. It was old anyway, was going to be replaced, just not as urgently as it now needs. These tin sheets are not ones that come off the roof. They were all laid flat down there. The roof is down there. Let's go around. Here's the roof now. This is where the goats were last night. They're fine. I let them out in the early hours. The roof in here has had a beating as well. Now got a load of holes in it. But you can see the age that the roof was anyway. The geese are all fine. The chickens next door are fine as well. I let the ducks out in the early hours just in case the stream flooded, but it was fine last night, believe it or not. The other ducks are at the top there. I'll let them out now. So now I know all the animals are all okay. I suppose the big question is, did the Polytunnel survive? A bit nervous to go and check, to be honest. I put a roof on the house back in October, and as you can see, that's perfectly fine, thank God. So on to the Polytunnel, and she's perfectly fine. It hasn't budged. This is going to be the growing area. I made a gate at the top, fenced it all off, and I just need to make a gate for this area here now. I will do an update at some point of the work that I've been doing this summer in between posting videos, because I am aware I haven't posted a video for a while. Yeah, this tunnel has not budged at all. Storm has also trashed this fence I put up a few months ago. It's the root plates of the trees actually moving, and the whole ground lifts up here. I will have to capture it on video sometime and show you. So yeah, thanks to Darragh, the never-ending list of things that need doing is growing, but everybody's safe and well. My flock of chickens, my geese, the goats, the dogs all came out of it well, so you can't ask more than that after a storm like that was, because trust me, it was a cheeky one, shall we say. Thank you to all the subscribers and for bearing with me. I've got a GoPro now, and as soon as I figure out how to use it, I'll start using that, and I will start posting more videos again. Also, I'd like to do a shout out to Isla. Apparently she's the channel's biggest fan and always gets her parents watching it. Isla, I will finish off with a clip just for you. Bye for now.